Hello folks, we're going to be starting a few of our other seeds here. A lot of these we usually just direct sow, but people are wanting some plants, and I went ahead, we got the biodegradable cups. Cucumber stuff like that, they don't like to be handled a lot and then put in the ground. So these biodegradable cups, you can just dig your hole, place the whole cup down in the ground and do it like that there. So since we got the cups, we're going to go ahead and start some of our seeds also. Daniel is wanting to start some of these Carolina Cross watermelons, and we'll also be doing the California Sweet Bush watermelon. We're going to try something this time. I'd seen a thing the other day. Hi, Dixie. She likes to get pop bottles, and she also likes, whenever the camera comes on, to start. Don't you, little girl? But seen something the other day, soaking your seeds in hydrogen peroxide, 3%. What we'll do, we'll add just a little bit of water to the cup and put just a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in there, and it says there about it helps the stuff germinate quicker. I'd like to try it and find out, and then we'll let you all know. We'll be doing this with our cucumber seeds, our watermelon seeds, our squash seeds,
zucchini.
Probably the squash. I read a little bit. It said the harder the seed shell to you done drinking over there, little girl? The harder the seed shell, you can let it go a little bit longer, up to 48 hours. Let it soak. We won't let none of them go that long, but let's give it a try and we'll let you know.
And don't use treated seeds.
Yes, don't do treated seeds. The one cucumbers we've got here, we got to looking, the seeds are treated. I don't know if you'll be able to see down there or not. They're actually blue.
Yep.
Down in there. For some reason it said if it's already, the seeds have been treated, not to use those. Alrighty, let's try it and we'll see what happens here. Give me just a second, I'll be right back with you. Alrighty. Now, to save cups, the watermelon, the white ones are Daniel's, and those other ones here, whenever I can find them, are ours. They're completely different looking seeds, folks. These ones here, they're little black fellas there. Now we're going to stick him in there, and we may actually let the watermelons soak probably overnight. Dang, get me just a little bit of water, please. Alrighty, we're going to set those to the side. Now, what's our next stuff here? Cucumbers. Or you want to do the squash. Alright. Daniel said he needed 13 of the straight 8 cucumbers. So what we're going to do, we'll probably put like 26 seeds and put 2 per cup in case. Okay, Dixie. You're going to have to stop, honey. Okay, now the cucumbers here, we're going to let them sit for 2 hours is what it said. And like I said, folks, we'll let you know how the results. It's talked about this here, if there was any kind of bacteria or anything on the shell of the cucumber seed, that it would kill that off. Okay, set them to the side. Now, we're going to do some other cucumbers here. These are actually Stonewall cucumbers. Wind has been blowing terrible today, folks. Instead of May, it's more like March, I believe. Alright. Friend at work, I was gonna start him some of these also. Okay. Okay, set these to the side. Goodness gracious, it's already going on 7 o'clock. Okay. Now, the other ones are the Max Pack cucumbers. We won't be doing those. Those have been treated. We will, let's see, the squash. Need to do those. And the zucchini. Alrighty. Alrighty, folks. We're going to be using these little pots here. And we'll be starting some cucumbers in those. These ones here, I'm sure you probably already have seen these in the stores and all before. You just take those and you just, I think there's 12 in this one here. Let's go ahead and open it up here and we'll take a look. Get one out here if you can. You can see. Then once the plant comes up, you can just dig your hole, put that down in the ground, and the roots will grow through the cup. There's no root shock to it or anything like that there. We usually don't use these. Most of the time we'll just direct seed our cucumbers and squash and all. But this year we'll go ahead and do this. And the people that's talked to Daniel that's wanting some, we'll start them for theirs in there also. Well, still the tomatoes use our red solo cups and everything. We usually ain't got to worry too much about. Now, I ain't going to say nothing. I don't want to jinx myself. But usually you don't have no trouble. Let's get started. Simply all we're going to do is fill the cup up. Maybe just a little bit less than that. And then what we'll do, take the seed, just put down in there, and then we'll place them here in our little cups. I don't know how many. May still be just 12 all our little tray will hold over here. I don't really know. We'll find out. See in just a minute. Alrighty. Just getting the little cups filled up. We're going to do the ones this evening, and then tomorrow evening we'll be doing the rest of them. It's actually getting kind of late this evening. Time just gets away from you. What I could do, take my stuff and everything to work tomorrow. Come break time, should film us there in the break room. All right, it held 12. You said we needed 13 of them. We may just have to let one sit right there. That way all we gotta do is mark the tray.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Just kind of put him right here. Alright. Now, what we'll do, we'll probably put 2 seeds in each cup. Alrighty. I'll take this dirt back out of there, get it out of the way, and Carol and Dan get to planting seeds here.
See you in a few minutes. Hello, folks. Today we're going to be doing the rest of the seeds there that we had soaked overnight. So whenever you plant a seed like this, you want the hole to be twice the size of the width. So I've done made the holes on this one. Cover that back up. And I'm going to be planting the crookneck squash right now.
Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed week. We really appreciate y'all. Lord willing, we'll see you Wednesday. Thank you again for watching.